In Clive Palmer's eyes, Bob Katter is to blame for the sudden loss of his former Queensland leader and Katter's nephew, Alex Douglas.
I've got a grin on my face. KAP has a grin on its face over the events of this week.
Well, Alex Douglas is the nephew of Bob Katter. I don't want to come to part their family, that's up to them.
The federal member for Kennedy had been trying to bite his tongue following the mining magnate's accusations 2 days ago. But this afternoon, with two of his closest allies by his side, he spoke out.
But the statements this week that Uncle Bob had been talking to him, I got out 3 sentences and, quite frankly, nearly snapped my head off.
Clive Palmer claims Dr Douglas pushed for a merger with the Katter Party and was disappointed when PUP's executive turned him down. But Mr Katter has made it clear he still wants to work with the Palmer United Party and independents.
We need a cohesive and coherent and united front to offer the people of Queensland a viable alternative in the forthcoming state elections.
We're the Palmer United Party. We believe wholly different things to the Katter Party.
Mr Palmer says he had no warning of Alex Douglas's plans to resign or the public accusations of nepotism and running his own show. Whether the parties can find common ground is yet to be seen. Amber Austin Wright, 10 Eyewitness News.